Alright everybody, this is the baby freeze variation tutorial for the intermediate class. Apologize that this tutorial as well as the kick pop stab's a little bit late, but yeah, here's the tips that I provided for you guys online. When you do any baby freeze variation, you want to obviously make sure that you have the original baby freeze first. So that one looks like this. We go into knee freeze, right? Side stabs, right? And then here, boom. So make sure you have this original baby freeze first, okay? Once you have that pretty stable and you can hold that without any issues, what you want to do next is extend one leg and keep one leg on top. And we're gonna call this forward, okay? Because one leg is forward. So we're here, we're gonna go boom. All right, so the difference is original baby freeze right here, both legs are bent, and then this leg's gonna go in front, and the top leg is gonna sort of do like a figure four position. So in midair, my legs are doing this, okay, while my arms are stabbed here. You can also be compared to like a ninja freeze, but your arms are on the opposite side, okay? So variation one, we're gonna go here, freeze, knee in front. All right, variation two, legs together, open up your legs like this, like a diamond, right? And then variation three was legs straight up in the sky. All right, before we show that variation though, I want you guys to practice and get your baby freeze really, really solid, okay? The last variation, or the last two that I showed online were straight legs, and then the Nike position finally, okay? So we're gonna go, I'm gonna back this up a little bit so you can see my legs going up in the air. Here you go, boom, straight up. All right, and then from here, I bend, and I do this Nike position. All right guys, so practice, make sure you guys stay safe. I have this foam mat right here with me. And if you guys practice, just make sure that you guys are on a good surface, okay? See you guys.